So good morning everyone. As I have written down, it's a feedback of vocabulary. Those who had participated in our first round of vocabulary test, they are here, sitting here, and they will be sharing their feedback that how was it. So let me talk to Aryan first. He'll be sharing his views about this test.
So good morning, the viewers of the Facebook. So today I'm going to share my feedback about it. So my feedback was a little bit different. Like I was feeling so much anxiety. Like in front of Ashish sir, like I just go in another world, and he asked me some of the questions, and I had given it like in a 30 or 30 seconds or 1 minute, but I had left one. So and after the test I asked sir, am I pass, am I fail, am I pass, am I fail? So that's all. I was not feeling confident at that time.
Okay. And how are you feeling right now? Are
Sir,
you happy?
Yes sir, I am feeling happy because I have cleared that part, and I am going to in the next round.
Oh, wonderful. Who's going to talk next? Yes, Simran.
Hello everyone, good morning. Myself Simran. Today I am very excited for the test, and now I am also excited because my all answers are right, and I do a lot of hard work for this test also, and I asked a lot of questions from all the peoples. I remember all the words without paper and with 3 synonyms. And in class, when I was giving test, so in my mind I thought that I gave all 3 answers. So I'm very happy, and now I'm also very happy to give after giving test, and I use these words for my presentation also, like exquisite, beautiful, wonderful, and magnificent. These words are using, and this is very helpful for using vocabs in my life. So
Okay.
I'm very happy.
That's really wonderful.
having this.
And
Thank you.
what would you like to say about those students, those who didn't participate today, didn't come today?
So it's depend on us because they miss lot of things in their life, and these vocabs are very helpful in competitive exam. I saw the competitive exam of my aunt. She is giving a government teacher and DSSB paper. So these word meanings are asked on that papers also. So it is not good those who are not attended this class. I am a little bit sad and little bit quite difficult for them.
Wonderful.
Thank you.
Who's going to talk next? Anybody? Okay, let's go to the Rohit.
Good morning everyone, and today I am going to feedback about today's test. So the kind of test was conducted by TSC. It was so bewildering because the synonyms were really tough, and this is really helpful for the students of Strain of English, because what happens generally, students do not learn vocabs, but suddenly it is announced that we have test. So all prepare for the test well, and they feel anxiety, but after the test they realize that we have done such a wonderful work, and we will move on and we will try our best in other tests as well. And there are some rounds which we clear. So we reimburse ourselves that yes, now we should try, at least we are learning by doing this. So this was about test classes, and this is amazing, I would say.
Wonderful. Somebody else sharing your feedback, feeling. How are you feeling right now?
So firstly, very good morning to everyone, myself Shivani, and today we have a vocabulary test where it is mandatory to give one synonym of the word, but I tried to give 2. And firstly I prepare for MNS, so there are many synonyms tests, but I never learned them earlier, but because it is so difficult to memorize all these words, but now for test I learned so many vocab, and maybe not sure it is so useful for me for my competitive exam. So sir,
Yeah, that is also true.
Yes.
Those who are going to prepare or thinking to prepare any sort of competitive exams in their future, so these sort of vocabularies are going to help them in their future too. So it's not about participating here only, but it can enhance their quality of English speaking in written if they know all these words. So that's really wonderful. somebody else who's going to talk. You can talk about your pain or your gain, right? It can be anything. How did you feel? How did you feel?
Hello, good morning. Myself Ayush Gupta. Firstly, I want to tell you when I got this paper, so I was feeling very nervous. But now I am feeling very well because when I learned, we all were learning this from a long time. But now I am feeling very good. That's
Wonderful. Who else? Okay. Coming.
So,
Handsome.
good morning everyone. My name is Aman. So the first thing that I want to share is that the lots of words that we never heard. So just because of this exam we learn lots of things and it's very useful for our presentation and lots of things. Also lots of things. So that's all.
Wonderful. Madam.
Good morning everyone, I'm Urvashi. So it was a test today, vocabulary test, where we got 60 words and our teachers asked 15 questions randomly and I answered all of them and I'm happy that I did it and it was so difficult for me to learn those all 60 words, but now when I went to the room for test, I was feeling like sir should ask all the questions, all 60 questions from me, and I'm now very happy. Thank you.
Okay. Here, I just want to tell one more thing. Before test, if you had seen their faces, it was really interesting. The kind of feeling I got today, that it's really wonderful, like from last 1.5 year, especially school or college going kids, they are not getting this scenario where they have to tackle or face the pressure. Before going to this test, the kind of faces they were making, it was visible, the fear was there, a fear of facing test, examination, then life. It's really important in nowadays. So CBSE or I would say Delhi University is failing somewhere to give them this feeling of facing test, but at least the Shrine of English is providing them this opportunity where they are getting this system where they can face how to handle their pressure. So that was a really wonderful thing. Let's go to Uday Bhai. He has something to tell. Yes.
Hello everyone, my name is Uday and I am working, but as I am working it is difficult for me to learn, like I am not habitual to memorize the things, but for this test I was reading in the night, I woke up in the 2 o'clock, again I was reading and to memorize that thing. I do have thousands of words written in my notebook, but still it is difficult. I didn't get a chance to read, but for that this test I had tried a lot, and this is the best thing which I tried, and after a long time I am learning something.
Yeah, that's really wonderful. At least just because this reason you are trying. Otherwise, we have written so many words in our copies, but because there is no pressure, so we don't feel to learn them or use them. That's really wonderful. Beauties, anything from your side? Somebody else? Anybody? Those who haven't spoken? Akhilesh bhai, your pain or your gain? Come on.
Good morning guys, my name is Vince and today I want to share the experience of vocabulary test I faced today. It was so awesome and it was difficult for me before. I have been studying it from last one week and now I want to tell that I cleared my exam I guess and I speak all the words.
Okay, and what would you like to tell those who are going to participate in next round?
I would say it would be a difficult, first round was easy, but this can be a difficult, but I would pass every exam and they should too.
Oh, that's really wonderful. Let's go to teachers. We'll be talking to interviewers or teachers, those who are taking the test. Let me ask, please close that door. Don't talk. Ashish sir.
Hello guys, good morning to everyone, and we are having our vocabulary competition first round.
Sure.
So we are having our vocabulary competition first round and it is so fun. We have so far covered the students of our Sangamera branch, and at 12 o'clock we'll be going to our Madangir branch location. and we'll be conducting test of the same round 4's vocabulary there as well. So very excited, and students are well prepared. They are trying very well. They remember all the words, and it's good because by the time they'll be completing this first round, they would be knowing 240 words, 240 different vocabulary with synonyms. So I would say it's a win-win situation for everybody. By the time we'll be completing this whole competition, they'll be knowing more than 700 or 800 words. So I mean, somebody has to see the things in a more optimistic way. So yeah, learning so many words through competition will also give them a certificate, but also help them to improve their vocabulary.
Okay, still I want to ask, though you have answered everything, there are still some students, those who didn't come, they are still sleeping or in fear they didn't come. So what would you like to give them as a message?
There wouldn't be any message from my end. I would say it's all about mindset, and in order to be great in life and to be, I would say, successful or whatever the aim they have is set for themselves, everybody has to work hard for it. So the mindset should be positive. Like passing or failing should be the secondary thing. The first thing should be participating at least, because there would be other opportunities as well. We'll be also giving opportunities in the second round for the people who could not clear in the first round, and there are always something for everyone. But if somebody has already decided that I'll not be participating in it, so it would be very difficult for us to motivate that person. We would say that this is the best way to participate and learn so many things. People generally don't participate because they have this intention of feeling that they may get failed, they may get humiliated, embarrassed. It's not about getting embarrassed or anything. Participation should be the key. Like, participate. I mean, you'll at least get to know 50-100 words, even if somebody does not clear the round, God forbid. The person would be having 100 new words in his mind. So participation should be the key. Like sleeping and all those things, okay, that can also be done after the competition is done. You can go back to your home, and if somebody can again sleep, if the person is really feel like sleeping, but participation is important. Giving up shouldn't be an option in life.
Okay, and here I just want to ask one important question. Is there any trick or tip you would like to give students how to crack this test?
No, there is no tip and trick. I would say, like, everybody will have to go through all the words. I mean, the paper isn't that difficult. You'll have to keep the word in mind. You have to attach that word with a particular. How do I keep so many words in my mind? I have imagined a word in my mind. I have made a picture of it. So if I have made a picture of any particular word in my mind, I will never be forgetting that word. So that's how I have been learning words for many years. So the only tip is go through all the words, make sentences, write sentences. Imagine a picture in your mind so that the word would be staying there forever.
Okay, and there's a tip or trick from my side. I would say, look, this is the tip. He is getting all these words from these newspapers. So if you really want to be smart like Ashish sir, you can. And Jeet sir, we are missing you here, but we'll meet in next round there in Madangir Center. So that's all for right now from Bandh Road branch. Bye bye.